The tools I use to run my affiliate marketing business. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepo. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you or show you basically some of the tools I use when I do affiliate marketing. Now, most of these are not tools. Basically, I just the things that I use to run my affiliate marketing business, right? Basically, the whole concept of my affiliate marketing business on how it runs and things like that, right? So without further ado, let's just go back and start with them. And by the way, the tools are gonna be coming on the last, so the tools are gonna be coming on the last. So just skip through and watch the tools. But these ones I also use them. Right. So the first software I use is YouTube. YouTube, obviously, yes. So YouTube, obviously, you all know YouTube. I mean, you are on right now. So YouTube, I use this to create videos. Now, how do I create videos? I create videos about affiliate marketing, about teaching people how to make money online. And what does that do? That basically, I'm building a personal brand, right? And if you're building a personal brand about something, right? So that's why I have a YouTube channel. Plus, that is one way I can get customers or basically get traffic to my whatever to my product, whatever product I'm promoting, right? So the first site you need or I use is YouTube, right? You can do this. You can start with anything, create videos about either affiliate marketing, either make money online, any type of niche, relationship niche, weight loss niche, any type of niche. I'm in two of those niches with two channels, but mainly this one. So you can start with anything. So that's the first tool I use. The second tool, or not tool but software site. The second site I use is ClickBank. Yes, now, or maybe some of you are familiar with ClickBank, and some of you maybe are not. Well, ClickBank is basically a site where you go and find affiliate marketing products to promote and get a certain commission. Now, these are not your product. It's just someone who's selling their product and say, hey, let me promote my product and I will give you a certain commission. For example, if I go ahead and promote this product, I'll get a certain commission if someone buys through my link. Cool, right? Exactly, because it's not my product. Now, this is a very nice way because this is one of the ways, especially in my country, because it's hard to get paid here, not because of other softwares. So that's why I use this, right? Clickbank is one of the best ways I use, right? So I recommend you start off with Clickbank. It's one of the easiest and it's easy to get accepted. I mean, you don't have to get accepted, just create an account and that's pretty much it, right? So, and if it's not in your country, then use something else, right? So I use Clickbank. The third software or thing I use is basically called Get Response. Now, before we go, guys, yes, all these tools are gonna be in the links in the description. If you wanna start them, if you wanna start using them, in some of them, the links are gonna be in the description, right? So ClickBank is the software I use to capture my leads, right? For people who basically sign up for whatever free product I'm giving out. People who sign up, they go. I use this software to keep those people and to send automated systems by basically giving them more value while also trying to sell them other certain products, right? If you are not using Get Response or let me say a email marketing software, you are basically wasting your time with affiliate marketing, honestly, just to be honest, because it's it's near impossible. I mean, you can, but it's near impossible to do affiliate marketing without Get Response, because you are missing out on a lot of potential buyers, guys. You are missing out on a lot of buyers because what happens is when you create or when you basically put a person through the email list, right? So because if you just selling the product once and then he decides not to buy, boom. He could have been a potential buyer if you just forced him a little bit, not forcing, but if you just like showed him the product more, but no, right? So it takes a person up to 7 tries until you can get them to buy, right? So that's it has been scientifically proven. And let me actually tell you a funny story, right? When I started with not funny, but when I started with affiliate marketing, or let me say this online marketing thing, right? This all online thing. Uh, I saw Ty Lopez. If you all know Ty Lopez, right? He's an entrepreneur, but I saw his ads over 12 times, and I was just clicking. I was like, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? He's always irritating me with his ads, right? Up to 12 times. You see, now if he could have just done with that one time, he could have been lost away on. He could have lost on a potential buyer, which was me, right? So after the 12th time or probably the 13th time, I was like, let me try to give this a shot. Let me actually listen. And when I listened, I got interested, and then I got into social media marketing, right? And then that kind of worked out a little bit. Then I transitioned, right? But the thing is, it's all about uh following up with your people. Hey, did you do this? How is it working? Just following up, because they show that the people you care and that actually the product you're trying to promote helps, right? So that's why I it's you must use get response or any other thing, right? But this one is good because when you're sending out email, it tells you that this email might end up in the spam box. So why don't you change it to this one? Or plus, it's even GDPR friendly, right? If you don't know GDPR, it's the UK terms and things like that, right? So, Get Response is one of the tools I use, right? That's the fourth tool I use or software I use is Builderall, right? So, what is Builderall? Builderall is basically a software where you can make funnels, where you can make funnels and other things, right? So we can make funnels and build your own funnel. What is a funnel? It's a sort of a website, but then it helps you capture leads or sells your product, sends the people to the offer or to a certain page, right? So a landing page, something like that, right? So this goes hand to hand with Builder, right? I mean with Get Response, this one, right? So what you do here is basically you tell the people, hey, grab my free ebook. You should just sign up. When they sign up, they go to obviously Get Response and get your free Amelia. They get here and registered, and you send them emails here. But what happens is this is the page. It's like a type of a website that people use, right? And it's a type of website people use, right? It's a funnel creator, right? And if you are wondering, if you want to use Builderall, it's the one I use. It's linked in the description, right? So Builderall is one of also the main keys to my business because I create certain type. Is where I create all my funnels, right? All my affiliate marketing funnels, whether it's I'm promoting a weight loss product, a relationship product, any type of product, I have to use funnels. Either I'm putting people on a broadcast page, on a sequence, or whatever. I use Builderall, right? It's the best funnel for me, funnel building website for me, right? Because with ClickFunnels, this ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels, first of all, it's expensive for me, and second of all, I just don't like this thing. It's there's a lot of people for affiliates, so it's really hard for you to start. So that's why I use this one and I make money while using it. Right. So that is Builderall, right? If you're again, like I said, wondering more about it, link is in the description. You can go here and check it out and decide to purchase it, right? So those are the softwares really that helps me run my business. Right now we go to the tools, the two tools I use. Right now you're wondering, hey Philemon, um Philemon, why are you how do you get customers or how do you get people, right? The thing is, guys, I use softwares like so because when you're making YouTube videos, it's really hard to rank, right? Unless you know what you're doing. So there's two softwares that help me. One helps me find the right keyword, and one helps me rank. So the first one is called vidIQ, right? So like it says here, it helps you get more viewers in less time and things like that, right? They tells you, hey, these are the types of keywords that are ranking, and these are the types of text this person has put in here, and you should use these tags because they are better and they'll help you rank your video whenever you're putting out your video. So this one goes hand to hand with YouTube, exactly. It even got the YouTube logo here because it's certified by YouTube, right? So it's a free Chrome extension. You go here, you download it, you sign up for free, download it. This is the extension, it's up here, right? It's a easy to extend extension, and it just helps you really understand everything and how it works, right? It has all these tools here are from it, right? So all this, like, it helps me see like my competitors, if I want to see who are my competitors and what they're posting, or whatever trend that is on, whatever trend it helps me see whatever trend, and I can write the trend while it's early on, or I can see whatever most viewed videos are and what they are all about, and I can make a similar video considering to the viewed ones, right? So it helps you a lot, especially with starting out, when you're just starting out and you don't really know much, and it tells you all the things like, hey, this is the best time to post your videos and at what time, and it gives you all your analytics and everything like that. So it really helps. It's a really handy tool, guys. And if you want it, again, link in the description. It's a free Chrome extension, right? So the last tool I use is Keywords Everywhere. Right, Keywords Everywhere is basically, it's for it gives you search free search volume. It helps you see your CPC and your competition data. Right, so for it tells you, say, hey, these are the types of keywords that are ranking for what, right? So you can use it in all this with Google Trends, eBay, Bing, right? YouTube, any type of thing, it helps you, right? So let me show you how it works quickly, right? So for example, I write how to make money, how to make money, right? So now it gives me similar things here, that, hey, these are the types of videos you should try, because there's less competition and they are being more searched a lot of times. Like, for example, how to make money on YouTube, or how to make money as a teenager, or everything like that. And they tell you like, hey, don't try this one. The competition is either too high or too low for you, or try this one, right? So it goes according to how your datas are, right? So I really like using this tool because it helps me make even whatever video I want to make. I just go search here. For example, let me show you a code trick I learned, right? So for example, if I just search H, let me just say, for example, A, right? And then I just say how to make money, right? So it helps you see, hey, this one is being searched 90 times, and it got 47 0.57 competition, which is high for me. So that's why I don't go there. Then I just go to B, nothing selected, and says, okay, these two you can make videos on, right? So, and then I just keep going, and then if I like this one, I make a video about this. I see what the videos are, and I make a similar video, but not copying, but obviously it's just a similar one to that if I want to. Then I just keep going on with C, D, whatever you want, guys. So this one is a really cool tool. Also, it's a free Chrome extension. You can go, here it is right here. You can go and get it in whatever software you use, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd. So these are the tools that helped me write, or this helped me with my affiliate marketing business, right? Because with affiliate marketing, you need a lot of things like the customers, right? How to convince them, everything, and all these goals and all these tools and softwares help me do that. So basically, this is how my affiliate business is all involved around this, right? So if you don't have some of these tools that I'm telling you, please have them. They will help you so much with affiliate marketing. They will help you succeed much earlier, guys. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you and if you want to check out my number one recommendation way on how to make money online, right? The number one way that I recommend you to make money online. Check out the free check out my number one recommendation link in the description, guys. That will teach you how to make money online, where to find the best product, how to find the best product, what to promote, who to promote, and everything like that. Everything that you need to know basically about affiliate marketing. It helps you there fully in detail, guys. So thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the softwares and these, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and peace out.